back njengomqolo, back backer, Packers. We're back with another predictions. We are predicting on YouTube as we usually do. So the PSL, let's get it going. Just back one day. We won last time, and we're trying, but we started the money accumulator, and we're here. Sikui PSL, which is the Betway Premiership, as you guys know it. So there's Sakokan and Stellenbosch. We know Akukora PSL. I know kudlala Pirates, I know kudlala Sundowns, I know kudlala Chiefs. Skip those games. Deserving this bomb. Because what we're doing here is we are playing safe. Let's get it. Sakukan and Stellenbosch under 4.5. Okay? And we have EPL game, which is the Premier League. Arsenal is and Chelsea. I played both to score. Both guys are out on the score. And then we have Tottenham and Fulham. I just played over 0.5. Wow. I just played the 0.5 and okay, La Liga which is Rayo Vallecano idlala Real Sociedad, which is gonna be under 4.5. And then we have Bundesliga. Bundesliga kukho i-team andikwazi pronounce, I hate them, don't know idlale under 4.5 basically kwi-Bundesliga kwiitim eziyi-2. iBochum idlala ne-Eintracht, i-Horst Ntontoni idlala, but I played under 4.5 andikwazi pronounce shem. And then we went to Italy. Italy, we always know under 4.5 they are not going to score under 4.5 unless kudlala ikhona team phayana man that scores kakhulu, Bolgam or whatever. I don't know how to pronounce these names. And then we go back to EPL. Leicester idlala Man United. Idlala over 0.5 just to be safe. And then we have France. Idlala Olympic. Idlala Hope. No. I don't know these names, but watching France, I know they're gonna score just one goal. We're playing safe. It's over 0.5. And then we have Porto, which is Portugal. In Portugal, kudlala Rayo Vallecano, idlala Benfica. I said Benfica or draw. So those are the games for namhlanje. Hopefully we will get the mali siyifunayo so that we can bet again, because nezakwenza kuzadlala i-cups ngoku. There's a Liverpool game that's playing idlala Newcastle. I didn't want to bet on that one. I just want to watch it. And watch beautiful football. And yeah, if Yafuna, you can bet on this ticket. It's gonna be in the description as always. And if not, it's fine.